Plants emit ultrasonic popping sounds when stressed. Scientists have recorded plants producing airborne sounds in response to lack of water or having their stems damaged. The ultrasonic pops occurred in rapid bursts, which differed depending on the type of stress the plant was experiencing. What does a stressed plant sound like? A bit like bubble wrap being popped. Researchers tested the response of tomato and tobacco plants to dehydration and having their stems cut, and found they emitted sounds which are comparable in volume to normal human conversation. While the frequency of these popping sounds is too high for human ears, insects, other mammals, and maybe even other plants can likely detect them. Researchers found that stressed plants emitted 30 to 50 pops per hour, much more frequently than unstressed plants, which could be detected up to 5 meters away. Water-stressed plants started emitting more rapid noises before visible signs of dehydration, such as the browning of leaves, began appearing. The sounds peaked after 5 days without water and dropped off as the plant dried up completely. The precise mechanism behind the noises is unclear, but researchers suggest that it might be due to air bubbles forming and bursting in the plant's vascular system in a process called cavitation. Scientists involved in the study believe the sounds created by plants may have significant ecological and evolutionary implications.